Hey there, future champions! Today, we're going to talk about something super important, breaking bad habits and replacing them with awesome new ones. Are you ready to join me on this exciting adventure? Let's dive right in. First things first, what's a habit? Well, it's something we do automatically, almost without thinking, like biting nails, playing video games for hours, or even leaving your toys all over the place. Now, imagine you have a superpower, the power to break these habits and replace them with new, fantastic ones. How cool is that? How do we do it? Step 1. Recognize a bad habit. Think about what you're doing and why it might not be so great. Maybe it's making you feel tired or grumpy. Step 2. Find a fun replacement. Instead of biting nails, you could try chewing gum or playing with a stress ball. Instead of too much screen time, how about going for a bike ride or drawing your favorite cartoon character? Step 3. Practice, practice, practice. Remember, it takes time to break old habits and build new ones. Be patient with yourself and keep trying. You've got this. And there you have it, my awesome friends. With determination, creativity, and a sprinkle of magic, you can break bad habits and unleash your full potential. Are you ready to embark on this incredible journey of self-improvement? I know you are! Let's make every day our best day yet! Until next time, keep shining bright and never stop reaching for the stars. You've got this!